Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for you guys, and I'm using affordable products today. So I hope you guys are really excited for that. Majority of the products that I'm using in today's video you guys can find in your nearest Ulta. So if you guys are excited for this video, then please continue watching. Good enough. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a affordable Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I'm gonna do full face of all affordable products, and I say affordable because I don't want to say drugstore, because there's some products here that are not considered drugstore, like Morphe. I'm going to start off with using the Morphe setting mist. I went to Ulta this morning and I went to the clearance section because I always feel like the clearance section is, you know, super intriguing and you never know what you can find there. So I actually found a lot of Mally products. You can consider them higher end makeup. But I actually found this primer for $3.47. Obviously, if you go to your nearest Ulta and you don't see this at Ulta, then I would just stick with, you know, using the e.l.f. putty primer. That is the primer that I was looking for, but unfortunately, at the Ulta that I go to, it's sold out. So, you know, I'm just gonna use this one instead, because there was primers there from the, you know, drugstore area like L'Oreal, Maybelline, or Milani, but I don't know, I just found this one and it was only $3.49, so I mean it is affordable. And yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna stick with the areas that my pores are just a little bit more visible. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using the Morphe Full Coverage Foundation, and I got the shade F260. Okay, so now when I put this at the store, it looked fine. Like it didn't look bad, but you never know, because store lighting could be the worst lighting to find foundation. I'm opening the box. I'm actually a little nervous. I'm hoping and praying that it matches me. Unfortunately, I actually don't have any affordable sponges, but you can use your Real Technique sponge or Morphe sponge. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. So now I heard mixed reviews about this foundation, and I actually wanted to try it out for myself. So this is actually my first time using it, and hopefully I love it. So I am a full coverage kind of girl, so I love any foundations that are full coverage, and I just love that it's $18. So we shall see. It definitely feels full coverage. Okay, so if I had to compare it to my MAC Studio Fix, which is like my favorite foundation, the MAC Studio Fix is more liquidy than this one. I would say this one's more like creamy and thicker. Yeah, I really do like the way it looks on my skin. Like it looks really, really good, and I actually got a really good shade. What do you guys think? I think it looks really good, to be honest. I'm going to be using the Morphe concealer. I actually picked up the concealer in the shade C2.15. I'm just gonna apply my concealer in the areas where I usually highlight. It does look a little separated here, so I'm gonna just keep on blending. It's like super thick, and then like to blend out the Morphe concealer, I feel like it's so hard to like blend it into my skin, if that makes any sense. I have to like really pounce my beauty blender. I do tend to crease a lot under here, so I do feel like the concealer is definitely bringing out my wrinkles. Makes me look like I'm freaking old. Moving on to powder, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Translucent Powder. This is actually a new powder that they just recently came out with. So I'm praying that it looks good, because I don't want to look like a ghost, okay? Go ahead and use the e.l.f. brow cream And this brow cream, I believe, was like $6. This is in the shade Expresso. And that's pretty much the darkest shade, or closest to like dark brown, because the other shade was brunette. And that would definitely be very light for my eyebrows. Ooh. This actually is really nice. You know when have you ever tried like an eyebrow product and you know it's gonna be hella cheap, but this actually went onto my eyebrow really nicely and it doesn't feel like waxy. Okay guys, so I just decided to just fix my hair because it was bothering me and I felt like this just looked a little bit better. So now I'm just going to start off with using the Morphe James Charles palette. You know, the most iconic palette ever. I'm going to, okay. So I'm just gonna start off with this light pink. I believe it's called Pinkity Drinkity, but I could be wrong. If I'm right, let me know down below. I actually lost the clear plastic that goes over the shades that lets me know the names of the shades, but so now I'm just gonna take this hot pink shade and apply it in my crease as well. Today I want to do like a smoky purple pink eyeshadow look. Okay, so once you have like this really intense hot pink moment on your eyelids right now, you're going to move on to using this purpley shade right here, and then just a little bit of this dark shade. I always do concealer as like a primer, but this concealer is ass. I really hate it. I'm never using that shit again, ever. It's like really screwing with my look. Actually went ahead and applied some glitter on this eye, and now I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did on this eye to this eye. For glitter today, I'm actually using the Bhcosmetics Glitter Collection Loose Glitter in the shade Amethyst. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm just going to basically apply it directly on the eyelid, almost creating like a cut crease. I have no more glitter glue, so I'm substituting the glitter glue for lash glue. I don't know how safe that is. I mean, a lash glue always goes on your eyelids, so I think it's fine. I mean, it's fine. It worked fine for me, so I don't think it should be a problem, but I think you should definitely get some glitter glue to apply glitter. So for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Ardell Mega Volume lashes. These are the 253 lashes, and these were probably the most dramatic lashes that I saw there, so that's why I grabbed these. Okay guys, so I actually changed my mind with the lashes. I really didn't like the way the Ardell lashes looked on me. I changed my lashes because the Ardell lashes wasn't really cutting it for me, so I just needed them to look, I just needed my lashes to look really dramatic, and these ones are probably the most dramatic lashes that I have in my little collection. These are the Icon lashes in Drunken Love, so you guys can pretty much wear any lashes that you want. These retail for $27, and I know that they're not affordable, like in the affordable range, but you guys can use my coupon code and you guys can save some money. I will list that down below in the description, but you guys can use any lashes that you guys want. You guys don't have to use these ones specifically. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline City Bronzer. When I went to Ulta, I saw that this was new, So I'm really excited to be trying this out today. I was gonna try the Physician Formula bronzer, but I feel like I've never heard anyone review this, so I don't know. I really wanted to try it out for myself. Okay, so the bronzer is definitely a little orange and not my shade. So I'm going to try to work with this. This is what happens when you use new things. So for today, I'm going to be using the Bhcosmetics contour palette. I'm going to use this one and just a little bit of this one and hope for the best. Let's see if I can somewhat fix this. Moving on to blush, I'm going to be using the Bhcosmetics Blushing in Bali blush and highlighter palette. I'm going to go ahead and of course I'm going to use the shade Coral because I love I love coral blushes. Oh, it kind of has like a sheen to it. That's pretty cool. I'm just going to use a little bit of the Revolution translucent powder just to clean up the bronzer. I'm going to spray some of my Morphe setting mist just to prep for highlight, and I'm also going to spray it onto my brush. And then we're going to be using the shade Glisten. Now for lips, I'm going to be using the Morphe lip liner in Sweet Tea. And then for lipstick, I'm also going to be using the Morphe lipstick in Caught. I actually purchased these items in the Morphe store. And then now I'm just gonna finish off by spraying my face again. And then voila. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. And let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day. And if you guys do recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. And yeah, I really would like to see you guys' recreations. So yeah guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Única, tiene la disco explota, todo el mundo me la mira.